Hey y'all, so I'm at my makeup studio today. I just finished a client and I was gonna put away some new products I got from NARS, but I was like, let me just do a quick little haul. It's been a minute. I have a pro discount with NARS. It used to be 40%, but then they dropped it to 30, but then they're doing this special where it's an additional 10% now. So there are some items I really wanted to get for my kit and myself. So it's a small haul, but I thought it would be worth sharing. By the way, I bought this little thing from TikTok shop. I wanted to show you guys. It's like, it says eyeliner aid, but I wanted to use it as a mascara guard as well. So it was super cheap, and it's kind of like this silicone material. It also has a scooper at the end, which is kind of nice. So you can place it under here to help with wing liner or eyeshadow. I think that's kind of cool, actually. That might be helpful. And then I'm going to use it when I'm just doing mascara, like underneath, or mascara on top. Like that. That's what makes my life so much easier when I can just hurry up and do mascara. So I'm adding that to my kit. Okay, so for the NARS haul, I really have been wanting to get the light reflecting eye brighteners for my kit because I have, I'm going to show it to you. I have all of my color correctors depotted, and I have some from Eve Pro, which that was like my favorite under eye salmon corrector. And they're right here. And do you see I'm almost out? Like I've scooped out my main pots of it and I don't have any more, and I can't find them online anymore because the colors I want are sold out or they don't have the single colors. So I always recommend these eye brighteners from NARS because it's light reflecting, illuminating, and it's a color corrector, so it looks really healthy under the eyes because it's kind of got the color correcting, the brightening, and the hydration. So I bought two colors, and I got the shades, which one is this one? Impossible Dream, which is kind of like a peach. And I recommend these to my clients all the time when we do shopping trips and they need an under eye corrector. And I got the darker color called Magic Hour. And they kind of match the Eve Pro ones. I like that they're not orange, they're more salmony. So when you put them underneath the eye, it doesn't look so orange. And yeah, they seem like they're a pretty good match, so that worked out for me. Like this matches the one in the middle, and this, or the lighter one, and this one matches the one in the middle right there. I didn't, they have a darker one, but it looks more brown to me. I wanted something that has a little bit more orange tip, so I only got two shades. So I'm gonna scoop those into my concealer pot, my concealer palette, and then I'll keep this stash at home and refill it. So these ended up being around $20 with my 40% discount. They're pricey, but this is one of those things that is a huge game changer for clients under eye darkness. Okay, I also got, let's see, the iconic, love this pencil. This is Mambo, the shade Mambo. I first got it when the makeup show James Vincent talked about it during a demo at the NARS boutique, which is no longer a thing in Atlanta. But this is like the best warm reddish brown, like chocolate brown. I love this color so much. I have it for myself, and I had one in my kit. The one in my kit, which I'm gonna grab, here's the one in my kit, and you can see I've used it a good amount, which I still have a lot left. It's so dry now. Oh, and it's weird because the color looks different. Wow, they look so different. So this is the original Mambo right here, which is more reddish, and the other one is dark brown. I like the original reddish brown one, but it's definitely drier. So when I put it under a client's eyes, I feel it tugging, and that's usually where I put it on the lower lash line. That's so weird, y'all. Like that. I'm gonna look that up. Okay, well that one, and that's an expensive eyeliner. That was like 20 bucks even with my 40% off. I don't know why they're so expensive. I just bought some from Urban Decay. Whiskey, which is another good brand. I forgot to put it in my kit, so I'm gonna have to add that. They now sell their blushes and refills, which is huge because the NARS packaging does not make sense for a pro kit. It gets dirty fast. So they were sold out of the 4 shades they had in the refills though. They only had the original Orgasm, which is the pale one, which I can use on my lighter skin clients, but not, definitely not on darker skin. So I wanted to pop it into my blush palette, which I have here, because these blushes are definitely due for a getting new ones. So I'm gonna stick it in here, and I wanna double check to make sure that it's magnetic. or it's steel on the magnet cover. Yep. Hey, okay, perfect. So it's, you can see it's more of like the original is like pink with gold shimmers. I'm gonna try that and see how it looks. Let's get a little bit on here. You know, everybody changing their formulas, so I'm like, I have to make sure it still looks good. It's pretty sheer on me because I'm more tan, but it adds that little bit of glow, which is kind of nice. Okay, so I got that. I wish I had more of the other colors. If they come in stock, I probably will order them because I like having them in a palette like that. But I did get myself, I wanted to get a travel size. This is the Orgasm Edge Mini. Look how little it is. Look. I bought this for my travel makeup bag because I've been traveling a lot lately. So this is Orgasm, but the darker one. So look at the comparison. See, this one's got more peachy. This one's really teeny tiny. It's so cute. So I got this for me, and this shows up on my skin tone. Yeah, because I like to travel, really small product. Yeah, that's a good one, a good buy. So I bought that, and I also got, like I said, 3 minis. Oh wait, one more mini. I bought this mini translucent crystal. Look how small that is, y'all. Again, super tiny. So I bought this to wear underneath my eyes. Sorry, I keep running over. I used to have the full size version of this, and I used it a lot. I love that it's light reflecting, especially underneath the eyes because it kind of like blurs. So I bought this for my travel makeup set again too. Like that. Cute. Okay. And then, okay, buy $70 worth, you get 3 minis. So the minis I chose are the Iconic Dragon Girl Lipstick. It's actually mini, but it still looks like a decent size. Let's put this on. I like that color. So pretty. I definitely need a lip liner with this. Okay, so I got that, and then I got a mini mascara, which I won't use. I'll keep this for my kit. And I got a mini concealer. These ones, I just bought a whole bunch of them for my makeup kit, and I got the shade Honey. There was only 2 shades that you could choose from, which is dumb. They should give you more shade options. Because it was like vanilla and honey, and vanilla was a really light shade, and honey is kind of like light to medium. So if they're giving samples, you would think they would give like a tan and a dark shade. Like where my concealers are, and you see I have a couple of different ones. So at least Honey's kind of right in the middle, right here. I'm gonna stick it here, and Makeup by Nikki LaRose. This is actually her go-to shade. I do like how it has a little bit more pink under there, so it'll be a little bit nice and flattering under the eye. Let me just pop a little here. Oh, that's actually nice. That's a nice color. As like a highlighting concealer for my skin tone. That peach that I was telling you about, it really does kind of cancel out the darkness underneath the eyes. See that? I layer it on top of the setting powder, which I should have now go in with the setting powder on top of that. So let's go here. Oh yeah, that definitely took my concealer up a notch. I like that. But that's going in my kit. So I'm gonna have to rearrange my concealers a little bit. Okay, so that is my NARS haul. I wanna show you 2 more products I got from Amazon while I'm here. I bought these little squeezy tube lip, Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Creams as like touch-up lip products for my kit. And I didn't realize like this nude that I got is like white on me. So I know it's gonna be nude, too nude for some people. It's called Cashmere Cream. They're only like $4 to $5. So you know you give touch-up product to your clients, especially brides. I got a nude and I got like a mauve. And the mauve is like the perfect nude on me. So I'm gonna have to get a darker one up. But this is really convenient because you just squeeze them in a little 5-gram jar and then you give them for touch-up with a little lip brush in your kit. So I'm gonna get the darker color of the other one. And then I also wanted to show you, I got in PR, the new Urban Decay foundation that everybody's talking about. Super cute PR package. It's the Face Bond Triple Power Foundation. I heard that this is definitely more matte, but it has serum built in and setting powder. So here's what's crazy. I have had dry skin forever, and then all of a sudden my skin is getting oily. You can see I have a little bit of shine coming through, and I started wearing the Estee Lauder soft matte foundation because I'm so oily, where I was using a lot of dewy products before. So I would normally be like, this isn't for me, but now I'm like, this might be for me. So I'm gonna try this out. I heard it has a beautiful new squeeze tube kind of packaging, which is really nice. I like that it's small. Let's see, do you twist it to open it? Oh, you just pop it off. Look at that little teeny squeeze tube. So I chose the shade Neutral Matte, Neutral something, hold on, it's number 23, which is medium neutral. And I hope this is a good shade because I got a little tanner over spring break. Oh, it still looks like a good shade. Perfect, yeah. It's probably similar to the Maybelline Skin Tint. I'm getting that vibe because it seems lightweight but has coverage. And they come with a cute little sponge and the All Nighter setting spray, iconic. And these super cute little, I love these. I put these in my kit because they don't leave like a bend in the hair, so I'm definitely gonna put that in my pro kit. So I'm gonna try that out and I will get back to you guys soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Ciao, Bellas.